too many IT certifications, but no clue which one to pick? You are worried you will waste your money on the wrong one, or even worse, get stuck in the decision paralysis. Don't worry, you are not alone. Let's simplify it together. There are certifications for everything: ITIL, PMP, AWS, CSM. But how do you know which is right for you? Here is what you can do. First, start with your career goal. Then, check what recruiters are actually looking for. A quick LinkedIn search can show you what skills are in demand. Busy schedule, can't find time to study? Then try this. Short focus sessions, even just 1 hour a day, adds up fast. Use online courses, mobile apps, and practice tests to stay consistent. It's smarter, not harder. Let's be real. Some certifications are expensive. But here is the good news. Many companies offer a reimbursement for the certification cost. So, don't wait to ask your HR about it. Otherwise, you can look for scholarships or online learning resources for free. Scared of failing? You're not the only one. But the solution, it's mock test. It is a game changer. Keep practicing until you score 80% or higher. That's a solid confidence boost you'll get before the real exam. Are you still unsure where to begin? That's what we are here for. At Knowlathon, we help learners choose the right certification based on their goals and not just hyper trend. So, visit knowlathon.com and follow us for more expert insights on IT certification. Let's move your IT career faster and smarter.